Hi y'all, I'm Lori from Arkansas Yarn Company.
And I'm Lindsay with Always Yarn First.
And we are here to do our February unboxing for the Sock Yarn Society. I'm so excited about this month. I'm wearing this color for a reason.
I can say that I've already seen at a distance the stuff from the box, and I am so excited for this box.
It's so pretty.
All right, should I get out the card first?
Yes. I love this month. I love this month. This month's name is You Are.
Okay.
And the yarn is called You Are. Mm-hmm. And I love it. See, it's my favorite.
Mm-hmm. It is so good.
It's a very sophisticated rose gold color.
It does remind me of like Victorian era things.
Yes. It's so pretty. It matches. Mm-hmm. I mean, literally everything that came with this is so comprehensive this time.
I mean, Lori always does an amazing job of matching up stuff for the boxes. But I had seen the stuff the other day because I'm nosy when I get here because the best stuff is in the back. And I'm like, oh, what is that? It matches literally perfect. Here, you hold that one.
Everything. Everything.
Yeah.
Oh, wait. It's do this.
Yeah.
Everything.
But I love this type of rainbow. Not that I don't love rainbows, but I love this like vintagey pink.
Boho.
Mustard.
Yes.
It's so good.
It's so good.
These are so cute.
One of the things that's coming in is a little bracelet. Mm-hmm. I love these so much. Every one of the cards is different. This one says you are kind.
Oh, that's neat.
Some where you are beautiful, you are smart, you are loved, you are never alone, you are brave, you are worthy. And so this is my philosophy for this year's box, that you feel loved by us when you open this.
I love it so much, and you are amazing.
Yes.
And then the stitch stoppers, of course.
I love them so much.
They're so good.
Also, I want to tell you on the back of every one of the information cards, there is a scratch off, and it gives you a 15% off any purchase from Arkansas Yarn Company for the month. So every code expires at the end of the month. And yes, and again, that marker is the peach inside all of this. And by the way, this card matches too. All of the rainbows are on it.
Spot on.
Every bit of it.
Spot
the color
on.
Of the yarn, everything.
Yeah. And then we have tea.
Because it's a new year, I really wanted to start the year off with this new Lunar New Year herbal tea. So there's not any caffeine in this one. And it has honey bush. And this is the reason why I picked it. It has rose hips in it to go with the rose yarn. I'm like, I literally think of every single thing.
You're out of control.
To make it comprehensive. I'm just that way.
I mean,
love it so much.
That is why the box is just so good, because this is where Lori shines. I mean, it's just amazing.
Thank you.
It is amazing.
I love her. She makes me feel amazing.
I love you too.
I am so happy for having you as part of the Arkansas Yarn Co. community and the Sock Yarn Society community. And if you know somebody who needs to have this kind of level of love, tell them about us. The Sock Yarn Society is open right now. So, yeah.
And I mean, we've said it every time, but I mean, seriously, as someone who does not have a lot of tonals, I know I love tonals, but when I go into yarn shop, I get distracted by the variegated, the speckled,
they're
the self-striping. But then, like, to have these in my stash, and then if you want to do a 2-skein shawl, then you have the variegated one to work with it.
If you are doing, if you're doing a mystery shawl and they're telling you that you need 3 different colors of a single skein of yarn, you can go in your year and pick 3 that I promise are going to coordinate with each other.
And that's the thing too. I think that. I mean, not that we're suggesting they just sit in your stash, but I think tonals are such a great thing to have in your stash.
They enhance your stash.
Because when that pattern comes out and you can't really afford to buy yarn that month, it's hard to find something with your variegated, whereas your tonals are like, okay, this, easy, done.
Yes.
So
anyway, we are so happy here.
I am super excited for you to stick around for next month because I know something very special in it.
Next month is amazing. And I mean amazing.
So I hope that you stick around.
Yes.
And
You're gonna love it.
Be tagging Arkansas Yarn Co. when you're using our makes.
Please do. Do. So anyway, I think that's all.
Yeah, that's it.
Hey, thank y'all for joining us on this unboxing. We love it.
Bye, y'all. See you next month.
Bye, y'all.